Okay, class. So today we are going to focus on adding whole digit numbers, and we're going to use the tens frame to help us solve the addition problem. Has anyone ever used the tens frame before?
Well, yes.
Yes? Okay, good. So for those of you that have, you can follow along easily. For those of you who have not, we're going to learn today how to use it. So we're working on adding single digit numbers. So for today's math problem, I want everyone to write 5 plus 3 equals, and then draw a line. So that is blank. Okay, good job. Now, I want everyone to draw a tens frame on their paper. So you're going to draw a rectangle, and then you're going to break it up to where you'll have 5 boxes at the top and 5 boxes at the bottom.
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. If you do it and you don't have enough boxes, then erase it and do it to where you only have 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom.
Where's that?
Okay, so you got 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good job. Now, when you're using a tens frame, you have to take both numbers and put them in the tens frame, but you got to do it one at a time. So I want everybody to draw a circle in each box until you have 5 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does everybody have 5 circles?
Yeah.
Now, what's the next number in the math equation?
3.
Okay, so now draw 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now count them up, and how many boxes did you draw in?
8.
Okay, so then you would write 8 on the blank line. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Does everybody see how we got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Does anybody not understand? Do we need to go over it a different way?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's try it one more time. Let's do a different equation. So everybody write 7 plus 2 equals blank. Now you got to draw another tens frame. Remember, it has to equal 10, 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom. Now, can we draw 8 circles? Why not?
Yes, actually.
Is 8 a part of our math equation?
No.
All right, so we're going to draw what number first?
7.
All right, let's draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does everybody have 7 circles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good job. Now, what's the next number we're going to put in the boxes?
2.
Okay, now draw 2 circles. Now count them up, and how many do you have?
9.
Good job. So you would write 9 on there. Now, just thinking ahead, could you use a tens frame to subtract, or could you only use it to add?
I'm going to use it to add, I believe.
Well, good guess. You can use it to subtract. So next week we're going to work on subtracting. But so for today, since we went over this part on the board, you're going to get with a partner and you guys are going to make some math equations, some addition problems, and draw some tens frame and try to solve them. Remember, keep your numbers 10 and under, your addition problems. Once you're done working in your partners, then you guys are going to get on your tablets and you are going to use iExcel math, and you're going to do some additional problems using tens frames. And then once we're done with that, then we'll come back together and we'll make sure that everybody understands, and we'll talk about what we're going to do next. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to set 10 minutes on the board, and then you guys will work with your partners for 10 minutes, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good job.